Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. It's me Abdul Hanan. So in the previous video we are working on the funnel development. So we are complete three main section, and in this video we are going and try to complete all the funnel. So add new section, go to our template, and the next section is this. So what you have to do, I think you just need to replicate this, clone this, and then delete these columns first. Okay, so remove this. So in this, first we have to set the background color, means section color. Save, section color is added. Next, I think we have to add the section color here and delete this section. So update the content, increase energy with mixture. Next is ingredients, and this is the same. Okay, so next you have to add two column, one for the image. Click here and add image, load. Each one is image. Insert the media and image is added. Just go and check the color once. 400. Okay, we have. Okay, so next in this section we need to add two paragraph and then this bullet list. What you have to do, select this one, and I think we don't need to select this. We can select this, I think, and then drag it to here. Control copy, Control V, left align and check the measurement of this. 18425. Duplicate this. We have this one. Control copy. I think it's good. And select it to 50. Okay, so the next is bullet list. What you have to do, just go here and duplicate this bullet list, select and drag it to here. Okay, first change the color, go to the journal, add the color. Okay, so icon color, and then add one more. Bottom, you have to check the line height. Go here and the line height is 25. Just check the line height, 25. No, it's not 25. Sometimes the reference and the builder not the same, so you can also measure the paddings, line heights through your eyes. Okay, you have to practice enough that you can be able to see the things and assume that like the padding is 60 or the 20 to 50. Okay, This will help you to make a strong grip on the funnel development. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This section is good. I think bottom padding is too much. Set it to 50. Next is this section. What you have to do, go to the first section, clone this, and then click here and drag it here. What you have to do, first remove this logo. Okay, remove this line. In the background you have to update the image, uploads, and the image is, I think, this one. Click here. Okay, so image is add. Now next is duplicate this and drag it to think we need to add this here. Yeah, remove this row. Okay, and then make it to the left align, style and this. This is a dummy text. कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको कि लोरम लिप्सम क्या होता है. लोरम लिप्सम एक डमी टेक्स्ट की साइट होती है. आप वहाँ से टेक्स्ट ले सकते हैं फॉर द प्रैक्टिस, फॉर द टेम्पलेट यूज़. 60 and 778 60 enter every line. I think 70. Yeah, 70. And the next is this one. Control C, Control remove this. Now the button is same, you just have to build the things once and then you have to replicate it or make the minor changes. $18,500 left. Okay, so the next is this one, and let's create this. For that you have to replicate this section. You can now understand how is it easy to build the funnel. Just need to build one and then replicate the section, remove the extra ones, and then add the necessary things. So first is update the mount, the gallery, Control X. And the next is product showcase. This is same. Next, click here, elements, section rows. I think this, drag it because we have 3 by 3, like 3 rows and 2 columns. Sorry, 2 rows and for 3 columns. So we have 3 columns, and then the background color of the column is, use the extension of the color picker, like Colorzilla. This is the best one. Okay, so add the column color first, save, then 33, add image, and where is the images? I think we have to upload all the images one, because I know it's to be frustrating. Oh, let me check the image, red one. Open. Okay, so all the images are uploaded. Next, select this, insert, images added. Now 33, go here and add 333. Okay, So yeah, it's look perfect. What you have to do, clone it and clone the column, then delete the extra one from the rows. Next you have to add the gap. What you have to do, select the column, add the right margin to the 40, 60. Yeah, 60 is perfect. Now duplicate the row. So next is update all the images. See, blue one, then green one, blue one. Next is I think this one. Next is yellow pouch, and okay, so this section is also complete. Next section is this. What you have to do, I think we have to replicate this section. Duplicate and then drag it to here. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is okay, just let me off the inspect button. So this is the section. Okay, just delete this one and clone this, delete this, and the image is this side. Delete all the element that is not necessary here. You have to add the image, and then select the barcode and edited image. This is the image. So if you follow my process, I hope this will help you to make the grip on the funnel building. You have to download all the images first before start the funnel development. You have to install all the necessary extension. That will definitely help you to complete the funnel as soon as possible, because if you save element and building at the same time, so this is so frustrating, by the way. So first save each and every element, and then just you have to update all the things one by one. Okay, so the color is, why choose this, go to the journal and then select the color. Okay, so what you have to do, select one by one, control copy, control paste. I think I know why this happened. Click here and remove the bold, then paste. Yeah, this is perfect. Color to this, and then go to the inspect button, 8400. You think line height is not match? Yeah, that's it, perfect. Add the cd order now. Just duplicate this and then drag it to the section, edit here. Okay, just remove the side margin to 0. And yeah, that's this section is also complete. Next is this. Okay, what you have to do, just replicate this one and then drag to here. Set it to white. We have to add this image. Change the image from here. I think image is this or this. Insert media. Images edit. Remove this section because we don't need this. Okay, remove this one is also. Next is get every answer from here. What you have to do, replicate this one and drag it to here. So this is a list and then this is the paragraph. Control copy, delete this. Okay, so set it to 20 pixel with 700. It is gone. Click here for the undo and then set it to 20. And add what? Paragraph. I think we can duplicate this. So you have to adjust this. I think it's look perfect. Okay, so next duplicate this and then drag it here, and next duplicate this, drag it here. Okay, just remove this one. I think 20 is good. Set it to the 20. Okay, change the icon, go to the journal and then select the icon. I think it's a question mark. This is the icon, this is the icon, and this is the icon. Okay, so the next is this section. Okay, we have to replicate this one. Drag it. And I think I have faced some issue to adjust my second screen video, but anyhow we have to adjust this. the background color of the column, and then we have to update the images. Set it at the background. Just let me check the image, and then oops, so I think this is the right image. Yep, this is the right image. Then why protein? Okay. Upload and replace the image. This one. Okay, so once you have to check the height and the width 323. Go here. Okay, so we have to add some other details. Click here. I think we have to add heading. Eighteen George. 18500. Okay, so you have to change the color, then font, and then the padding and the margins. Just replicate this and then paste it here. Okay, so this is perfect. Now duplicate this, drag it here, 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 undo, and then drag it here, duplicate this, drag it here, and let's check. The next is we have to add the CTA, but first add some paddings on the columns. Okay, set 2020 padding for the up side and the bottom. Yeah, I think it's good. It's good to go, and this section is complete. You just need to replicate the CTA and drag it here. Okay, so then here's this section. We have to make the testimonial. For that, what you have to do, you need to add new column in the background. You have to add the image. Sorry, the image is, go to the image, add the image. This is the image in the background, and remember that the image is on the parallax. That shows like that. When you scroll, the image is on the background. Okay, so these are the little things that create big effect. Okay, so you have to, so these are the little things that create big effects, so you have to pay some attention while creating the funnel. So first, duplicate this and then drag it to here. Change the color to the white, and then this is the color, and add some padding. Okay, so we have to build this testimonial section. For first, what you can do, you can search a section in the pre-built section and then go to the testimonials and check if you found the testimonials here. You can use the testimonial also from here. I think we can use or we recreate this also. We create this. Okay, so for that you need two columns. The first one, first background color, go to the white, and then you have to add the image first. Add image. Okay, so the image is this is the image. Open, insert. So what you have to do, first add this paragraph. You can replicate this one, and why this is not replicated, clone and drag it to the here. Okay, and go to the style, make it center align, and change the content. Remove the inner padding and then add 40 and make the image like this. Okay, so you can see the image is upper side the card. So this is how we can create by adding the negative margin. Next, you have to add the bottom margin. Okay, so this is how we can adjust these testimonial section, so you have to pay attention. Okay, so the next is Joe Rogan, and first I think we can replicate this, delete this. I think this is another font. Yeah, heading. Select the font 23 Jost. Set it to 18. Change the font. Where is the font size? Here it is. And add some 20. Next is the border radius. Select here and see the border radius. Bottom border radius 10 radius. Select the column, go to the style, border, full border, and then remove the color, go to the border radius, set it to 10. This is complete. Clone this remove this column, then select the column, add the right margin, check this margin is matched. I think it should be 35. Okay, now update the image. This is the image. Insert. Next is change the name, and like this. And then you have to add the, I think, the column padding to 40. 240. Okay, so this section is complete. Let me check. I think there is some issues in the, we can adjust this right now. Where is, here it is. Move it to 20. Nope, nope, not 20, not 20. And set it to 70. Okay, and then I think column padding is too much, make it to 10. 10 is also too much, by the way. Hmm. Select the image, and what happened? So you have to first adjust this one. Okay, now set the image again, make it 200. Okay, so this looks perfect, and delete this, clone this. Okay, so now you have to adjust this one also, 0 and 0, and this is 20 and minus 100, minus 100, and this is 20. What the hell is this, man? This is 20, this is, I think this is going to be frustrating section. So yeah, that's it, this is perfect. Just add some margins here. Okay, just what you have to do, replicate this and add some heading here. Check, check, check. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This is perfect. So this is the first template that we have complete, and this is a simple one. Believe me, there are most complicated template that is available on the Webflow. Also in the other template sites, you can go and select and try to build. Okay, so the only way to master it, the answer is practice. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, or if you feel difficulties in any section, ask in the comment or rewatch the video again and again and share it with your friend. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.